If you look at the top of this plant very carefully, you will see an adult cotton fleahopper right on top of this leaf. This is about as big as they get. They don't really get real large, about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch maybe in size. They're going to be pale yellow, or pale green, just like that one. And the immatures are going to be much smaller than that, small as an aphid or something like that. Once the plant gets some height to it and they get more squares and fruit on it, then you for sure want to be checking for cotton fleahopper. In fact, there's one sitting right on the top of this plant right there. When we scout for cotton fleahoppers, the first thing you want to do is to cautiously approach the plants that you're going to look at and just look at the top of them first. We have one cotton fleahopper adult right here on this leaf. And so that's going to be one cotton fleahopper in this plant. Our threshold for fleahoppers is 15 in 100 plants. When you exceed that, you're going to want to spray. So once we found that one, then we're going to separate the top of the plant and start looking inside the terminal of the plant, underneath leaves, and in and amongst the top of the terminal to see what you have there. When I'm looking at the top of the plant, first I'm going to look at the upper sides of the leaves, then you can look at the undersides of the leaves, or you can gently open up the top of the canopy and look right in here in the top of the terminal. And that's one of the likely places to find fleahoppers. This is one of the places where you have soft tissues and the plant, and they like to feed there. If you see right here, we have a first position square, but if we look on the other side of the plant, you can see this structure right here, which is a square that has upsized and fallen off of the plant.